Hi, welcome to KFMS tutorial. Today we will see the chapter statistics of 10th class, the 7th question of exercise 13.1. To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air, the data was collected in 30 localities in a city and is presented below. Find the mean concentration of SO2. Find the mean concentration of SO2. Already he has given the data. Concentration of SO2 in ppm. What is ppm? You can see it in physical science. What is ppm? What is the full form of the ppm? ppm. What is ppm? Parts is equal to parts per million. Parts per million. That is ppm. Okay. In ppm. The second one is frequency. He has given the data. 0 to 002. 0.002, 0.04. Its frequency is 4. 0.04 to 0.08. Its frequency is 9. 0.08 to 0.12. Its frequency also 9. 0.12 to 0.16. Its frequency is 2. And 0.16 to 0.20. Its frequency is 4. And 0.20 to 0.24. Its frequency is 2. Now we will find the mean concentration of SO2. Mean concentration of SO2. Mean concentration of SO2. Now we have to find this. The concentration of SO2 is small numbers. So we can use direct method. It is very easy to find the mean. Direct method has 4 columns. Already 2 columns. The data is given in 2 columns. We have to draw another 2 columns. This is mid values. Are class marks. Class marks. It is called XI. XI. This is XI. And 4th column is FI into XI. This is 1st column. This is 2nd column. This is 3rd column. And this is 4th column. These are 4 columns. Okay. How can we find mid values? We have to add these 2 values and make it half. 0.00 to 0.04. By adding these two values, we get 0.04 and half of the 0.04 is 0.02. 0.02 and 0.4 plus 0.08. 0.04 plus 0.08. So 0 plus 0.12. Make it half. 0.06. And take the third row. This is third class. 0.08 to 0.12. 0.08, 0.12, 0.20. Make it half, then it will become 0.10. Now 0.12 to 0.16. 0.1 to 0.16. Then it is 0.28. 0.28, make it half. Then it will become 0.14. And 0.16 to 0.20. Then it will become 0.36, 0.16, 0.20. Then it will become 0.36. Dividing by 2, we will get 0.18. 0.18. 0.20 and 0.24. 0.20 and 0.24. Then it will become 0.44. Make it half. So it is 0.22. These are the xi values. xi values. These are fi values and these are xi values. In the fourth column, we have to multiply these two values. fi into xi. fi into xi. fi into xi. fi 4. xi is equal to 0.02. 4 2 ja 8. So it is 0.08. Next, the second class, 9 into 0.06. 9 6 ja 54. So 0.54. 9 10 ja 90. So 0.90. 2 14 ja 0.28. For 18 ja 0.72. 0.72. 222. 0.44. Like this. These are fi xi values. These are fi xi values. By adding these all fi xi values, we can get 2.96. This is called sigma fi into xi. that equal to 2.96. In this problem, already he has given that is in 30 localities. 30 localities. So, add this frequency 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 2, 24, and 24 plus 2, 28, and 28 plus 2, 30. So, it is also 30. What is this? Sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is equal to 30. Already he has given this is sigma Fi. So sigma Fi is equal to 30. Sigma Fi Xi is equal to 2.96. Sigma Fi Xi is equal to 2.96. Sigma Fi is equal to 30. Arithmetic mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. That is equal to 2.96 by 30 to 0.09866 and so on. It is 0.09866 and so on. Adjust the value for 2 decimals. So, it will become 0.099. So, X bar is equal to 0.099. 0 bar ppm. It is approximate value. It is approximate value. So, we have to write this as approximately. Approximately. Come to 8th question. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. Now, we have to find the mean number of students absent days. This is data. In this data, the class intervals are small. So, we can use direct method. Now, we are going to solve this problem by direct method. Why? Because the class intervals are small. So, we are using direct method. In direct method, there are 4 columns. Already, the given data is entered in 2 columns. They are class intervals and frequency. The 3rd column is mid values or class marks, whatever it may be. Mid values or class marks. That is called xi. Now we must find xi values. How can we find these xi values? See, the class intervals 0 to 6. 0 plus 6, it is 6. 6 by 2, 3. So it is 3. 6 plus 10, it is 16. 16 by 2, it is 8. 10 plus 14, 10 plus 14. 10 plus 14 is equal to 24. 24 by 2 is equal to 12. 14 plus 20, it is 34. 34 by 2, it is 17. It is 17. 20 plus 28, it is 48. 20 plus 28, it is 48. And half of the 48 is 24. 24. 28 plus 38. 28 plus 38, it is 68. 68. Half of the 68 is equal to 64. Half of the 68 is equal to 64. Now the last class is 38 plus 40. It is 78. Half of the 78 is equal to 39. Half of the 78 is equal to 39. Xi values are completed. Now, these values are Fi values and these values are Xi values. Now we have to multiply these two values to find the Fi into Xi values. 11 into 3, that is 33. 10 into 8, it is 80. 7 into 12, 84. 17 into 4, 17 into 4, 68. 17, 68. 24 into 4, 96. 64 into 3, no, this is not 64. Half of the 64 is equal to 32. 33 value. 28 plus 38, it is 66. 28, 38, it is 66. Half of the 66 is 3 to 3. So it is 33. Sorry, it is 33. So 33 3 ja 99. 39 1 ja 39. By adding these 7 values, we will get 499. 499. This 499 is called sigma Fi xi. So sigma Fi xi is equal to 499. What is the total of the Fi values? The total of Fi values. In the problem, already he has given that of 40 students, the number of students are 40. So, The total of these values is 40. This 40 is called as sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is equal to 40. Sigma Fi xi is equal to 499. Sigma Fi is equal to 40. Sigma Fi xi. Sigma Fi xi is equal to 499. Now, AM is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. That equal to 499 by 40. 499 by 40. Cancel the 499 by 4. 4 ones. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8. 1 remains. 9. 19. 4 4 ja 16. 3 remains. 3 remains. Taking the 0. 30. 7 ja 28. 2 remains. Taking 0, 20, 5 by 10. That equal to 12.475. That equal to 12.48 approximately. Approximately, this is the answer. X bar is equal to this is 9th question and last question of this exercise, that is 13.1. 9th, the following table gives the literacy rate of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. Here, the table is given literacy rate in percents, number of cities. See, 45 to 55 literacy, 3 cities are there. Literacy rate 55 to 65, 10 cities are there. And literacy rate 35 to 75, 11 cities are there. And like this, 75 to 85, 8, 75 to, 85 to 95, 3. The data is like this. In this data, Xi values are large. So, we use deviation method. In the deviation method, 5 columns are there. The given data is entered in 2 columns. Remaining 3 columns is there. Columns are there. The third column, this is first column, this is second column, this is third column, and this is fourth column, and the last one is fifth column. What is third column? Mid values. Mid values means class marks. or class marks. It is called XI. These class marks are called XI. How can we find the XI values? In these class intervals, the lower limit and upper limit are there. Add them. 45 plus 55. 45, 55. Add them 100. Half of the 100 is 50. 55 plus 65. 55 plus 65. 120. Half of the 120 is 60. Similarly, it is 70, it is 80, and it is 90. So, class marks 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Among these class marks, select a class mark as assumed mean. 70 is assumed mean. It is called A. It is called A. Now, deviations. DI is equal to XI minus 70. DI is equal to XI minus A. Here A is 70. So, DI is equal to XI minus 70. Okay. XI 50 minus 70. It is minus 20. 60 minus 70. It is minus 10. 70 minus 70. It is 0. 80 minus 70, 10. 90 minus 70, 20. So, the deviation values are DI is equal to minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20. This is DI. This is DI. Now, the fifth column is Fi into Di. Fi into Di. Fi is there and Di is there. Now we have to multiply these two values. 3 into 20. It is minus 60. 10 into 10. It is minus 100. Because it is minus 10. So 10 into minus 10 is equal to minus 100. 11 into 0. It is 0. 8 into 10. 80 plus 80. 3 into 20. It is 60. So, the total of Fi, the sum of Fi is sigma Fi is equal to, here 35 cities. 35 cities. Add them. 3 plus 10, 13. 13 plus 11, 13, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 3, it is 35. So, sigma Fi is equal to 35. This is Fi di. Positive values are 80 plus 60, 140, minus negative values are 160. So, it is minus 20. So, it is minus 20. This is called Fi sigma Fi di is equal to, sigma Fi di is equal to 140 minus 160, that is equal to minus 20. Now come to calculation. Here sigma Fi is equal to 35. Sigma Fi di is equal to minus 20. A is equal to 70. Mean x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. This is the formula in deviation method. A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. Substitute the values. What is A? 70 plus, what is sigma Fi di? It is minus 20. What is Fi di? It is 35. 5 7 ja. 5 4 ja. 5 7 ja. 5 4 ja. Now, what is the value of 4 by 7? 4 by 7. 4 7. 0.075 ja. 35. 5 remains. 0. 7 7 ja. 49. 1 0 1. That is 70 minus is there. 70 minus 0.57. That is equal to 69.43. This is 69.43. Therefore, xi is equal, x bar is equal to, therefore x bar is equal to 69.43%. ఈ విధంగా మనం ఈ అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ కి సంబంధించినటువంటి లెక్కల్ని పూర్తి చేయొచ్చండి. ఈ అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ కి సంబంధించిన లెక్కలు ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లో అంటే 13.1 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లో 9 లెక్కలు ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 9 లెక్కల్ని మనం 4 చిన్న చిన్న వీడియోస్ గా చేసుకొని చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ 4 వీడియోలు మీకు చాలా బాగా ఉపయోగపడతాయని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. కాబట్టి ఈ వీడియోలు గాన మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ఖచ్చితంగా నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి ప్రతి వీడియోని ఒక లైక్, ఒక షేర్, ఒక చిన్న కామెంట్, మీరు ఇచ్చేటటువంటి ఈ లైక్, షేర్, కామెంట్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఇవన్నీ మాకు ఫర్దర్ వీడియోస్ చేయడానికి బాగా ఉపయోగపడతాయండి. ఓకే, అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ అయిపోయిందండి. నెక్స్ట్ మోడ్ తీసుకుందాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం మోడ్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి లెక్కల్ని చేద్దాం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.